everyone, welcome to maths class. As you know that we are going through chapter number 7, that is properties of triangles, and in your previous class we have discussed about one important property of triangle, that is angle sum property of triangle. So in your today's class we are going to discuss about the another important property of triangle, that is exterior angle property of triangle. So first of all we will know what is the exterior angle property of triangle, but before that we will know about exterior angle of triangle. What is called the exterior angle of triangle? So what is called the exterior angle of triangle? So if we produced, suppose this is a triangle and the name of the triangle is triangle ABC. So, suppose if we produced any side of the triangle, any side, suppose we produced BC at D. BC at D. BC ke amra produce korlam D porjonto. Then which angle is created? This angle is created. So this is called the exterior angle. So this is called the exterior angle, angle ACD. So if we produce any side of the triangle, then which angle is created? Then that is called the exterior angle of that triangle. Okay. So now let's come to the property. If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. So what are the interior angles of the triangle? So the interior of the angles of the triangles are angle BAC, angle ABC, angle ACB. These are the interior angles of this triangle. But exterior angle has two opposite interior angle, because this exterior angle has two opposite interior angles, this and this, angle CAB and angle ABC. These are the opposite two interior angle of this exterior angle. So what is the property? If a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. একটা triangle এর একটা side কে produce করলে which exterior angle is so formed, that is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. You know that exterior angle has two interior opposite angle. So that exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Now we will prove this property. So to prove this property, you know that to prove any theorem or any property, you need to, first of all, you need to write what is given to you. Given. Suppose, first we will draw a triangle. Suppose ABC be a triangle. Suppose ABC be a triangle. First we need to write, suppose ABC be a triangle such that its side BC is produced to form. Now we will produce this side to form a ray BD. To form a ray BD. So suppose ABC be a triangle such that each side BC is produced to form a ray BD. Okay. Then what is the exterior angle? Angle ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC at C. So this angle is the exterior angle which is created at C. Okay. And what are the opposite interior angles? Opposite two interior angles are angle ABC and angle CAB are two opposite interior angle. These are given. So given, suppose ABC be a triangle such that its side BC is produced to form a ray BD. ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC at C, and ABC and BAC, these are two opposite interior angle. So what you need to prove? Then we need to write that. We need to prove that. We need to prove that. So what is the property? The exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is the exterior angle. Angle ACD equal to sum of two opposite interior angle. That means ABC plus BAC. We need to prove this. Now we will start proof. Here in this property, don't need to write any construction. In this property, don't need to write any construction. Now we will prove this property. By angle sum property, you know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle ABC from triangle ABC, we can write angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. We can get this by angle sum property. So you need to write here by angle sum property. By angle sum property, we know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And by linear pair, we can also write that angle ACB plus angle ACD. BCD is a straight line, so by linear pair, we can write that angle ACB plus angle ACD. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree by linear pair. You know that in linear pair, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. And by linear pair, we can also write that angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree. So this equal to 180 degree, this equal to 180 degree. So we from 1 and 2, we can write this equal to this because this value is 180 degree and this value is 180 degree. So we can write this equal to this. Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to ACB plus ACD. Now we can cancel these two terms from two sides, from left and right. Angle ACB, angle ACB. Left side, right side যদি same জিনিস থাকে আমরা cancel করে দিতে পারি. So we can cancel angle ACB equal to angle ACB. So angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle ACD. So our proof is ready. Here we come to the conclusion. Angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to angle ACD. Okay. Angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. So this is the exterior angle property. This is the exterior angle property of triangle. This is the exterior angle property of triangle. So what is the property of exterior angle property of triangle? if a side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. How can you prove this property? First of all, you have to write what is given to you. Suppose ABC be a triangle, so that its side BC is produced to form a ray BD. So, angle ACD is the exterior angle. Angle ABC plus angle CAB, these are the two opposite interior angle. We need to prove that angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle CAB. Now, we will start our proof. So, from triangle ABC, we can write by angle sum property, that is the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So that we can write angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. And by linear pair, we can write this angle plus this angle. Angle ACB plus angle ACD equal to 180 degree. So, by equation 1 and 2, we can write this value is equal to 180 degree and this value is also equal to 180 degree. So, this equal to this. So, we can cancel this same term, angle ACB, we can cancel these two terms. So, angle ABC plus angle BAC equal to ACD. So, hence proved. So, this is the exterior angle property of triangle. So, from this property, we can get an important result, that is, any exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the each opposite interior angle. যে কোনো exterior angle তাদের প্রতিটি opposite interior angle থেকে always বড় হবে. Okay? So, using this property, we can solve some problem. First example, in the given figure, here one figure is given, two of the angles have measured 60 degree and 70 degree. Find the angle XYT. So, in this figure, you can see that this is the exterior angle and this is two opposite interior angles. So, this is very easy. XYT equal to angle XZY plus angle YXZ. We can get this by exterior angle property. Okay. So, XZY is 60, 70 degree plus 60 degree. So, the value will be 130 degree. This is very easy question. Next question, in the given figure, two of the angles are indicated. That means angle BAC 60 degree, angle ACD 125 degree. What is the measure of angle B? You have to find this value. You know that by angle sum property, you know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So, angle ACD equal to angle ABC plus angle BAC. So, ACD 125 degree, ABC, we have to find this value and BAC 60 degree. So, angle ABC equal to, if we subtract this value from this value, we can get this value. Because আমরা যদি শিফট করি এটা রাইট সাইড থেকে লেফট সাইডে এই প্লাসটা মাইনাস হয়ে যাবে 125 minus 5 65 degree. Okay, this will be the actual value of angle B. Next question, an exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree. An exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree. And one of the interior opposite angle is 30 degree. Find the other two angles of the triangle. So, let us try to draw the figure. An exterior angle is 110 degree and one of interior opposite angle. Suppose this angle is 30 degree. So, you have to find this angle and this angle. How can you find that? A, B, C, D. We know that ACD equal to ABC plus BAC by exterior angle property. You need to write here that property name, okay, by exterior angle property. So ACD equal to ABC plus BAC. What is the value of ACD? 110. ABC, we have to find the value of this angle. BAC 30 degree. So angle ABC equal to 110 minus 30, that is equal to 80 degree. So this value 80, this value 30, you have to find this value. You know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. What is the value of angle A? 30 degree. Angle B 80 degree. You have to find the value of angle C. So angle C equal to 180 minus 30 plus 80, 110. So this value will be 70 degree. Angle C 70 degree. Okay. So this is how you can solve the problem by using the important property of triangles, that is angle sum property and exterior angle property. Okay. So when you will solve this type of problem, you have to remember the two properties of triangle which you have learnt in the class. That is angle sum property. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and the another property is exterior angle property. That is the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay. So in this class you have learnt one important property of triangle, that is exterior angle property of triangles. So if you have any doubt in this class, you can ask me.